Hi friends, here I'm just trying to tell you how to get your LinkedIn data. All you need to do is log in your LinkedIn, click on your profile, go to settings and privacy, go into the privacy tab, go down, go on the option how LinkedIn uses your data and press on getting a copy of your data. Here you'll get an option, click on download larger data archive and here it will prompt you to give the request and will ask you for your password. All you need to do is you just need to put in your password and say done. The moment you do it, it will have your request for the download and it will be pending. You'll be able to get it after 24 hours after getting to the same place. If you have any queries, you can connect me or Mr. Swarab. Thank you.